Hello, my name is Drew Thompson, and before I start my speech, I would like to introduce my two audience members. I have my dad and my mom. So my informative speech today is going to be about frogs. I've been very interested in frogs my whole life. I have even taken animal studies and biology in high school. So my speech today is called Frogs, Small Things of Big Importance. My 3 points today are that frogs are important in ecosystems all around the world. Frogs can be some of the most unique creatures on the planet, and frogs can come in many sizes and colors. So here are some local frogs that are based here in Tennessee. We have the southern cricket frog, which is the smallest frog in Tennessee. The mountain chorus frog that primarily lives in mountains. The bird-voiced tree frog, which sounds like a bird. And then we have the spring peeper frog, which is the most beloved frog in all of America. It is also the most common frog in all of America. And then we have the crawfish frog, which is a very shy and a very sensitive frog and is very rarely seen. And then we have the southern leopard frog, which is its back pattern is very unique. Then we have the pickerel frog. The pickerel frog is the only poisonous frog in Tennessee. I got all of this information from the TWRA website, and I even included a pickerel frog just in case anybody ever runs into one. So these are frogs around the world. These are the most unique frogs around the world that I could find. So we have the glass frog, then we have the Argentine horned frog, which is found in Argentina. And then we have Wallace's flying frog, which has webbed hands and feet, which allow it to glide up to 50 feet in the air. Then the yellow-banded poison dart frog, which is the most poisonous frog in the world. It is also called the bumblebee, primarily found in South America. Then we have the purple harlequin toad, which is found in caves, and it is a completely black frog, but it has purple stripes and purple designs all throughout its body. Then we have the Malayan horned frog, which has horns on its eyelids, and this is the Malayan horned frog right here. Then we have the tomato frog, which when it feels threatened will blow up to the size of a tomato and is also very red. Then we have the milk tree frog, which is called the milk tree frog because of its color and pasty-like skin. And then finally, I got all of this from the Christine Abroad website, and it states the glass frog is called the glass frog because of its transparent skin, which allows you to see its organs. And then finally, the importance of frogs. Frogs are important to the ecosystem because they feed on insects, and birds and fish and snakes also feed on frogs. So if we were to lose frogs, this would have a very negative impact on our ecosystems throughout the world. Frogs are also used for medicine. The secretions from their skin are used in pharmaceuticals to fight off bites, infections, diseases, cancers, and even heart disorders. I got all of this from the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute. Finally, my 3 points again. Frogs are important to the ecosystems around the world. Frogs are some of the most unique creatures on the planet, and frogs come in many colors and sizes. This has been my speech. I'd like to show my audience members again. I have my dad and my mom. I'd like to thank them. And this has been my informative speech about frogs. Thank you.